The question now we have on the board is a 5% solution by mass of cane sugar in water has freezing point of 271 Kelvin. Calculate the freezing point of 5% glucose in water if freezing point of pure water is 273.15 Kelvin. So, to solve this question, we have to know molar mass of cane sugar, molar mass of cane sugar is 342 because its formula is C12H22O11. Then molar mass of glucose, so this is equal to 180 because its formula is C6H12O6. Now here the depression in freezing point is given, so depression in freezing point, depression in freezing point delta TF equal to KF into M, where M is molality, KF is molar depression constant for the solvent. This can also be written as delta TF equal to KF into W2, that is mass of solute, upon M2, that is molar mass of solute, into W1 mass of solvent into 1000. So this thing for cane sugar. For cane sugar delta TF is 273.15 minus 271. 273.15 minus 271 equal to KF we don't know into W2. So 5% solution is given. If we suppose 100 gram of solution, so 5 will be the mass of cane sugar upon its molar mass, that is 342 into W1. W1 is 95 into 1000. So this thing we will get 2.15 equal to KF into 5 upon 342 into 95 into 1000. We can cancel this 19 times. So from here we will get KF equal to 2.15 into 19 upon into 342 upon 1000. So this will be equation 1. Now for glucose, so here is no need to arrive at the actual value of KF. We can use this expression to solve the question. For glucose, delta TF equal to KF into 5, that is 5% of glucose, upon 180, the molar mass of glucose, into mass of solute 95 into 1000. So from this equation 1 we can put the KF value 2.15 into 19 into 342 upon 1000 into, so this whole is kf, then into 5 upon 95 into 180 into 1000. So this 1000 and this 1000 is cancelled, 5, this is 19, so this is also cancelled. Now the final value we will be getting 2.15 into 342 upon 180. So the answer to this question will be 4.085. So this is depression in freezing point, and we have to calculate the freezing point of solution. So freezing point of 5% glucose solution equal to 273.15 minus 4.08. So this we will get 269.07 Kelvin. So the freezing point of solution is 269.07 Kelvin. That will be the answer to the question.